Day 6 deal is going to be on the Icon Meme 1.0 kit, 35 piece locking flex head kit. It's going to be for 25 bucks, saving 37% on it. Retail price is 40 bucks on it. And the second deal they're doing for that day is going to be 30% off on all solar and decorative outdoor lighting. But first, I will cover the Icon deal. And the Icon Meme 1.0 kit is going to be on sale during the parking lot sale coming up in August. The price will be 30 bucks, which will only be saving 25% on it. So this will be the time to get it during this day 6 deal. Pick it up for 25 bucks. It's gonna be an excellent deal on it. So this is a 35 piece set. It has a 1/4-inch flex ratchet with it, as well as 32 bits that are Torx, slotted, Phillips, hex, and posi drive bits. Here's a list of all the bits that are included in it. It's an excellent kit. I do recommend it. The thing that's nice about it, it does have the extension bar in there, and the ratchet on this kit is a pass-through ratchet, so you can use it as a T-handle. It also has an end there where it will take the bits. You can also put that in the end of the ratchet, making an extension to create additional leverage. So it's an awesome kit. It's a great price at 25 bucks. I highly recommend picking up one if you don't have one already, or maybe even a spare. And I figured I'd go ahead and show you the actual meme kit itself, in case you're not already familiar with it. I know many of you are, but take a few minutes and show you the actual kit here. So here it is. It opens up nice and easy. It comes with a nice hard plastic case to store it in. And this is the flex ratchet that it does come with. Press button to adjust the flex of it. And it is locking, so it stays right in place. Just press the button to straighten it back out. So this does have the end to it that accepts the bits, as I was mentioning in the store. And then you could take this and then line up the dots that are on the extension right here with the dot on here for it to pass through. If you don't line it up, you won't be able to pass through with it. It stays in place. So if you wanted it set up like that, you can. But when you line up the dots to the dot that they have printed on there, it makes it a pass through. So therefore you could use it as a T-handle, you know, torque down on fasteners. I actually like this ratchet over the Meme 2.0 toolkit that one comes with. And the ratchet is decent enough. I mean, it's not as smooth as a G2 ratchet, but this has actually saved me numerous times in getting to nice tight spots with it, because it is technically low profile, and I was able to tighten down like fan blades and even replace like bicycle seats where there's like tight spots to access, and this made light work of it. And this kit does also include a 1/4-inch socket adapter, so you could put the 1/4-inch sockets on it, which I don't know why the Meme 2.0 kit does not have this ratchet, because they could have just solved the problem by including this bit with it to be able to use the 1/4-inch sockets. So here's a closer look at all the different bits it does come with. They're obviously not impact rated. I do like that it comes with the Torx security bits, because I've come across those a few times as well. And nice small compact case that this comes in. I actually keep this in my tool bag for those kinds of emergencies. It's also great for assembling like IKEA furniture. Nice compact case. So it's nice and small. Definitely recommend the pickup, especially at the $25 price tag. That's actually what I paid for this kit, because they did have a deal on it back in, I think it was December or November, for the same price, and it's definitely well worth it. And then here it is lined up next to the Meme 2.0 kit, and I'll just show you the differences of the ratchet real quick. So as you can see, it's not a pass-through, but it does have the 1/4-inch anvil to it that's built in. And it's got about the same back drag as the Meme 1.0, and it is basically the same size. And it's also a locking flex head as well in the Meme 2.0, so you can get into really hard to reach spots with it. It's a great kit. I love the 2.0, which is why I did the giveaway of them. But I do like the ratchet on this one better, just because of that versatility of being able to use it as a T-handle and then still being able to use the 1/4-inch adapter to be able to go, you know, outfit 1/4-inch sockets. So I think it's pretty nice. 25 bucks is definitely worth it. And those are the kits. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to pick up any of the 1.0s on this time around. All right, so now we'll head over to the solar and outdoor lighting. So the other deal is going to be the 30% off on all solar and decorative outdoor lighting. 30% is a decent amount of savings. It would be a good time to pick up some landscape lighting. And so basically they do have 3 different options. Well, it's technically 4 options of the solar lights that are this style of solar lights. They each retail for $8.99. So they have the floodlight, then they have the pathway lighting, as well as the solar bollard path lights. Then they have another LED solar path lights in this style with the like brushed nickel type of finish. So those are $8.99 each. And obviously saving 30% on those would be a good time to get them. Then they have this 10-piece LED solar copper path light set. These are nice and compact, and those retail at 20 bucks. And they have the Luminar 11-inch solar LED bronze finish lantern, priced at 8 bucks, which obviously most of these things you could save on a 30% off weekend. So I would definitely suggest, if you're in the market for other lighting, to go for those that are going to be priced above the $20 mark, where you would not normally be able to save 30% on them. And they have a couple rope light options. They have the 16-foot solar rope light priced at 12 bucks. Then they have a 72-foot solar rope light priced at 20. Now these next options will probably be popular ones. It's the LED 24-foot outdoor string lights. Since they are LED, so they will last a long time and they'll be energy efficient. The retail price on that one is 25 bucks. And this kit in particular, you are able to link up to 25 strings with it. So they have that available in the black as well as the white. It also retails at 25 bucks. And then they have the LED 20-foot outdoor string lights that are solar powered, so no outlet is needed. Those are priced at 35 bucks. Then they have a couple different decorative options. They have the 3-piece LED light solar set that are like a butterfly, hummingbird, and dragonfly. It says it runs for 8 hours. Then they have the LED solar dragonfly string light kit. That's just dragonflies, priced at $8. And then this 3-piece set are the different ones priced at $9. And then next up is this Luminar outdoor 2-pack of the solar LED pathway lights, priced at 20 bucks. And then they have this 3-in-1 LED torch light. So it's a path light, hanging lantern, or a table lamp. So your choice there. It offers up to 27 hours of light on 6 to 8 hours of charge. It is weatherproof as well. And that's priced at 12 bucks. Then they have a 4-piece solar pathway light set, priced at 13, and another 4-piece solar LED light. Let's say this is a new item, that's priced at 16. And if you happen to have a deck at your house, they have this 2-pack of LED solar post cap lights, priced at 23. Then they have this other spotlight that's a solar powered one. That's automatic dusk to dawn lighting, priced at 23. So based on that picture, they do show Bunker Hill solar light. That would be a security light, and here they are here. So they have them available in the black or white, and they each retail for 15 bucks. And they do have a larger one with a peel and stick security light, so it has double-sided taping on the one side, and that one's priced at 35. So the way that deal reads of all solar and decorative outdoor lighting, I'm not exactly sure if it is going to include the spotlights that are hardwired. It might not. So wait till the deal is actually posted on the website, where you can click on it and see all the light options that are included under this deal. But it should still include the ones that are solar powered, since it does say all solar and then decorative outdoor lighting. So they have this white solar powered one made by Bunker Hill, priced at 45 bucks, and it's 1160 lumen. And they have this other Bunker Hill solar powered light, motion detection, priced at 25 bucks. It's a 500 lumen light. And then there's one other solar powered option by Bunker Hill, this black LED motion one, priced at 15. All right, so that's going to be it for day 6 on Wednesday, July 22nd. If you did get any value from this video, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.